you're experiencing account sync issues in League of Legends, follow these steps to resolve the problem effectively. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the sync issues you may encounter. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official League of Legends server status page to see if there are any ongoing issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game client. Close the League of Legends client completely and restart it. This can often resolve temporary sync issues by refreshing your connection to the service. Step 3. Update your game client. Ensure that your game client is up to date. Open the client and allow it to download any available updates. An outdated client can lead to sync problems. Step 4. Clear cache and reinstall. If the issue persists, try clearing the game cache. Navigate to the installation folder and delete the cache files. If that doesn't work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the game to ensure clean installation. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, reach out to League of Legends support. Provide them with detailed information about the sync issue, including any error messages you receive, to get tailored assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any account sync issues in League of Legends. If problems continue, staying in touch with support will help ensure a solution.